So q command query, why you need to use the query? Query means getting the information from the RPM database. So what will we get the information? Is information display the version, source and other information. All the information is displaying on the screen. So what the command can be used? RPM-QA. It will display all the installed package. When you will run this command RPM-QA, it will display all the installed package. Okay, if you want to give the information of the specific version, then you can use the I and install package name like zip. Either you can give the nano, whatever the package name you want to do it. Here it will be display the information, their version, release, architect, install date, group size and much more. So similar you can use the by using query. If you want to generate a query by using the yum command, then you can use yum list and installed package. It will display all the installed packages. And if you want to get the information of the specific package, then you can use the yum info and then give the package name. Similar, DNF list, DNF info and the package name. Give the information of the package. Okay, so I hope you can do it. I don't need to show the demonstration of it. Now the question is the repositories. Because there is not a single repository exists. There is a multiple repositories are there. So if I have run some time before a command, which you have remember this command, update this full updation. So you can see here in the result on the screen, in this result you can see I am showing you where it is. Here you can see, okay, it does not exist, but previously they are on this screen. You can see what you can see here. These are the name of the repositories. Like this is the base OS repository. There is a app stream repository. There is a base OS app stream. Base OS app stream, mainly these are the two, but also there is some other app repositories are exist. So let me check if any exist here. App stream, base OS app stream, base OS app stream. So there is a two repositories, base OS and app stream. Okay. So reference by the package manager is RPM and yum and DNF, installing and updating the software. Administrator configure authorized the repository, means repository must be the authorized. So how you can check the repository's information? The location is /etc yum.repos.d, where you will find out how many repositories are exist. For the yum, you can check out this file name, and DNF is check out this file name for the configuration of the repository. Okay. So how you can create the repository? Here is one example, but previously I am going to show you about this directory. So here is a two repositories. One is Red Hat repo. If you want to open this file, then you will get all the information of the repositories. So what is the information about the Red repository? So repository information is a base URL. This is the URL of the server URL. It is server URL, and here is a there is a keys which is checking for the client and their CERT SSH key, SSL. So SSL key will be used to transferring the data in a encrypted format. Okay, here is the another repository. You can see there is a another repository. Here is a another repository. This is the different repository. So why this happened? Because the single base URL not possible to store all the type of the RPM. So in this case they are installing the different locations on the different locations. You can see there is a multiple locations are exist. Okay, so fedora.repo, how it is used, I have shown you the base URL, meta link and all this information. So if you want to check the available repo list or available repositories and their configurations file inside your system, then you can use this command yum, sudo yum and the repo list. So it will display the multiple repositories. So it will display there is a one repo ID. These are the repo ID and this is the name of the repository. So there is a one is app stream, another is a base OS, and these for the Linux 9, RHEL 9. Okay. So these are the two repositories are active. You can create the multiple repositories where you can mention the base URL and some things, but this is not part of our Linux Plus. This is not part of the Linux Plus.